How to check if Photoshop is using GPU. Please leave a like and consider subscribing if this helps. So this is stupidly easy to do. All you need to do is head over to the top left of Photoshop, click on Edit, go down to the bottom where it says Preferences, and then you want to click on this thing here that says Performance. Now this will open and it will reveal my terrible graphics card, GeForce GTX 1070. But as you can see, this section here will say that a detected graphics processor, and there's a tick here that says use graphics processor. If this is grayed out, it means that your Photoshop is not using it. But if you see it like this, where there's a tick and it says use graphics processor, it means that it is turned on, and indeed Photoshop is using GPU.